welcome back to this tutorial of Node.js and Express.js. Today I want to talk about environment variables a little bit more in detail because this is a very important topic for me, especially if you want to deploy your production and you want to make this more secure. Yeah. So they are used to store information outside of the code, so they are not part of the code because you store them in a separate file. And then they can influence how running code is behaving. Um, so the key benefits are you can store information or configuration separate from your code, keep sensitive information out of the version control, so it will not be changed every time. Configure applications according to the environments, and change application behavior without code changes. So you can use it on the one hand to change your environment configuration or to change behavior during runtime. So the usage is pretty simple. You just create a file called .env, and in Node.js there is a object called process.env or process. And if you want to access a variable inside your .env file, let's say you have a .env file and you have my environment is, I don't know, 5. This is in the thing. So if you want to access it in your JavaScript code or in your Node.js code, process.env what was it, my env, and then you can work with the variable. Yes. So there are like common variables you can use, like node env, the current environment you're in, like in testing or production or development, then port number, path, and home to store certain directories or certain paths that may change with implementation or where you want to run your code. So keep that in mind. Okay, so to actually use this, you need to run npm install.env. Then you need to, as I mentioned, create the .env file. And inside the file, you have your name on the left side, equal sign, with no spaces, and then like your value. And inside the code, then you need to require .env point config, and if you want to access a variable, process.env dot the name of the variable. Yeah.